All the angels cry, holy, all creation cries, and holy, you are lifted high, and holy forever. People sing. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's David here, always helping you play creatively. Today we're going to look at a 2-5-1 passing chord that you can use in a lot of songs. However, we're applying some drop 2 voicings to these 2-5-1s. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So what is it? All right. So this is my 2, my 5, and that's really my 1 right there. Now in the song I substituted my 1 for that B right there. Anyway, that's for another lesson. All right, so what's going on? We have, right here we're playing a C minor. Okay. And now we're playing an E flat over a G. And it's really E flat major 7. Now this is really just E flat major 7, okay? But I'm taking this B flat right there, screen is saying A sharp, and bringing that down to an octave, so that's really a drop 2. So we have, so all of that is my 2. This is my 5. Okay, so it's my left hand and my right hand. Okay, and now I'm just going to play drop 2s going down. Left hand, right hand right there. That's my 3rd chord from my 5. It's right hand, left hand. And that's my last one, and then I go to my 1. So all of that really is leading me to a B flat major 7, okay? So let me do it slow again. There you have it. Now, something I want to say is that if you try to apply this in other songs, you may not be able to get through all of them, but you should know it so well that you should be able to apply the concept of using some of them in other songs. So let's go ahead and let's take Great is Thy Faithfulness. That's a good one. Great is thy faithfulness. So what happened there, right? I didn't use all of them. I played great is. When I went to is, I started on the E flat rather than started on the C minor. And so I'm just playing E flat major 7 over the G. We got E flat major 7 over B flat to this C minor in my right hand, first inversion over A. Right? That's all I'm able to get through. So, but if you use this, you should be able to apply this to other places. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to continue growing in your piano playing journey, I definitely recommend you check out the courses at playcreatively.com, where you can find everything you need to grow as a piano player. Well, until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together.